Once you've scanned a website or multiple websites, you can explore the data from the dashboard by result type for a high overview or a more granular view. Both these views help you find issues to fix or issues to train people on to prevent them from happening in the future. When I start drilling into the data, you'll notice a pattern. We start with a result type, followed by a list of websites that have that result, and then a list of pages on that website that have that result. I'll start on the dashboard. It's filtered for all websites, so it's showing data for all scanned websites. I can start drilling into data by result type using the automated scorecard or most common issues widget. Professional plan users can also dig into issues related to the monthly focus through the accessibility focus widget. I'll start with the automated scorecard widget. This widget shows errors per page, total errors, alerts per page, total alerts, total features, total structure elements, and total ARIA elements. Professional and scanning plans also have the automated testing score. I'll select errors per page and go to the list of all the errors from most to least for all websites, since that's what my dashboard was filtered for. Very low contrast occurs the most. I'll select the details arrow to go to a list of websites that have this error. The list tells me how many times the website has a very low contrast issue and on how many pages. I'll select details again to go to a list of pages on that website that have the very low contrast issue. Now I can tell how many instances are on each page and have several actions I can take. I can select page to open the page in a new tab, code to open the page's code directly where the issue is, create task to select the issues in the code and then create a task using Jira, Asana, or email, dismiss to select from the code the instances to dismiss from dashboard and reports, inspect to view the page with Wave directly in PopeTech, or Wave to open the page on a new tab with Wave already opened. I'm going to go back to the dashboard. Now if I select any of the other result options like alerts, structure, or ARIA, I'll go through the same pattern. A list of all the results in the category for all websites the dashboard was filtered for. Then I'll select a result to go to a list of websites that have that result. Then I'll select a website to see what pages have the result. I'll go back to the dashboard again, and this time we'll use the most common issues widget. This pattern for digging into the data is similar, except we've already selected a specific result. So we'll go straight to a list of websites that have that result. Now I can select the website to go to the list of pages on that website that have the result. And I have the same actions to open the page, view the code, create a task, dismiss the result, inspect the page, or open the page with Wave. You're ready to start digging into your accessibility data.